In this video, you will learn how to transfer USDT to a SOL using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully swap your USDT for SOL, allowing you to manage your cryptocurrency effectively within the wallet. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet on your device. Once the wallet is launched, locate the section at the top right of the screen where the current token is displayed, typically labeled as SOL. Click on this token to initiate the swap process. After clicking the token, a drop-down menu will appear displaying various cryptocurrencies. From this menu, scroll through the options until you find USDT, and you will see that the label changes to indicate that this is now your UPay token. Next, focus on the bottom token section, which currently displays USDC. Click on this token label to bring up the selection menu. In this menu, you will again scroll through the options until you find SOL. Click on it to set it as the token you will receive. Now that you've selected both tokens, it is time to enter the amount of USDT you wish to swap for SOL. Be mindful of your available balance as well as any transaction fees that may apply. Once you have entered the desired amount, proceed to the next step. Click on the button labeled Review to proceed with the transaction. The wallet will display a confirmation screen summarizing the swap details, including the amount of USDT you are paying and the estimated amount of SOL you will receive. Review this information carefully. If everything appears correct, click on the Confirm button to complete the transaction. You may observe a loading indicator while the transaction is processed. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the swap was successful and your SOL balance will be updated accordingly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.